When people hear Six Sigma, they picture factories and production lines. But in reality, the biggest sources of waste and variation today exist in offices, spreadsheets, and workflows, not on shop floors. Whether you lead finance, manage customer service, or oversee HR, logistics, or IT, you have seen how small inconsistencies snowball, like the delayed approvals, recurring errors, mismatched data, or inconsistent turnaround times. Each tiny variations adds hidden cost and frustration. Six Sigma brings structure to that chaos. It helps you see variation before it becomes waste. Using powerful tools like control charts, failure mode and effects analysis, Pareto analysis, and process capability, those CP and CPK indexes. So CP and CPK tell you how capable your process truly is, not just whether it meets targets occasionally, but how consistently it does so. If your CPK is low, it is barely holding quality together. If it is high, it means you have achieved true stability and predictability. In business terms, a high CPK means fewer escalations, smoother flow, and happier customers. For example, in finance, QSUM chart can flag rising reconciliation delays or valuation errors before they trigger audit findings, hence improving predictability and reducing rework costs. If you look at in customer service arena, a Pareto and Fishbone analysis show that just 20% of defects cause 80% of complaints, letting you focus improvement where it matters most. In procurement or logistics, plotting supply delivery data and tracking the CPK over time shows which vendors truly meet your service levels versus those adding instability. If you look at in HR or IT, mapping process defects like the ticket reopens through DMX cycle and checking CPK for cycle time variation stabilizes performance. Now, we are hosting a 5-day live Lean Six Sigma Black Belt training that's going to be on 27th to 31st October, designed for leaders and professionals who want to turn data into decisions and processes into performance. So do reserve your spot by clicking on the link below. Moving forward, here's the value equation in plain terms. Finance leaders gain ROI through reduced process volatility. Service managers gain consistency and happier customers. Operation teams gain flow and less firefighting. Six Sigma isn't about bureaucracy, it's about clarity and precision. It's the science of removing noise so your people, numbers, and systems perform in harmony. If you're ready to move from managing problems to measuring progress, this is where it starts. Six Sigma ensures you're not guessing, you're being precise. Let's turn variation into consistency and consistency into results. Because manufacturing isn't the only place where waste hides. If you look at banks, insurers, shared services, and supply chains, costs creep through variation in cycle time, error rates, and rework. If you can measure variation, you can control it. And once you can control it, CPK tells you just how capable your process truly is. Before I go, I will explain two control charts. First, QSUM, cumulative sum control chart. Now, QSUM helps you spot small, consistent shifts in a process sooner than a normal control chart. How it works is, in a simple terms, if you look at the normal control chart, it shows individual points going up and down. Now, QSUM instead adds up how much each point is above or below the target. If your process keeps drifting to one direction, those small differences accumulate and you will see a clear upward or downward trend before it becomes a big problem. Our best way to illustrate this, think of an example. Imagine a call center where average call time should be 5 minutes. One day it's 5.1 minute, next 5.2, next 5.3. See those tiny increases, all still within limits. So a regular chart might not show an issue yet, but the QSUM chart adds those tiny differences, that 0.1 plus 0.2 plus 0.3, and quickly flags that your process is slowly getting longer every day so that you can fix it early. So why this is useful? Because it is great for early warning of slow drips, perfect for in finance or service industries where changes happen gradually, like loan approval times or average response speed. Next chart I'll be talking about in a brief way is exponentially weighted moving average. So in short, EWMA is another chart for tracking gradual trends. But instead of adding differences like the QSUM chart, it smooths the data to show the long-term direction clearly. Now, how it works is each new data point gets a weight. Recent data gets more weight. Older data gets less weight. So the result is smooth line that reacts gently to change. Example, think of a bank's customer satisfaction score. One bad day doesn't mean the process is broken. EWMA smooths out day-to-day noise so you can see the overall trend is either moving or improving or declining over time. So why you think it's useful? Basically, it helps you focus on the true process pattern, not random ups and downs. So this is ideal for service quality, delivery time, or average handling time monitoring. Now you can see how powerful Six Sigma can be for any organization. Interestingly, many traders have also applied these same charts in day trading or intraday trading, especially in the forex trading industry, to spot when to go long or short more confidently. But I hope this video has added real value to your understanding. Enjoy the present moment, stay curious, and keep improving. Do inbox me if you need any help to apply these above concepts. Till then, I see you inside.